Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Lightforblind. This video is about important questions and answers of history of subcontinent after 1857 and the Pakistan movement. Question. Lord Curzon is best known for. Answer is partition of Bengal in 1905. Question. Moplar Rebellion of 1921 took place in. Answer is Malabar. Question. Identify the first president of Muslim League. Answer is Sir Agha Khan. Question. Who among the following were the chief character behind the Khilafat movement? Answer is Ali brothers. Question. The cabinet mission was headed by. Answer is Lord Patrick Lawrence. Question. The cabinet mission arrived in India in. Answer is 1946. Question. Indian Council Act of 1909 was also known as. Answer is Minto Marley reforms. Question. Arya Samaj was founded in 1875. Answer is to revive and reform Hinduism. Question. When the Quaid-e-Azam resigned from the Imperial Legislative Council? Answer is 1919. Question. When the Quaid-e-Azam resigned from the Congress? Answer is 1920. Question. In the election of 1945-46? Answer is in Bengal, Muslim League won 89 out of 110 Muslim seats and formed ministry with H.S. Sohrawardy as chief minister. Question. For what purpose the Muslim League changed its manifesto in 1913? Answer is became hostile towards the British. Question. Who seconded the Pakistan resolution from Punjab? Answer is Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. Question. The Kanpur Mosque episode took place in August 1913. Its results was. Answer is it created political awakening among the Indian Muslims. Question. On May 28, 1920, Khilafat Committee passed a resolution in support of non-cooperation movement started by Mr. Gandhi with the result. Answer is it created enmity between Muslims and Hindus to work together to get their grievance redressed by the government of India. Question. The Anjuman-e-Himayat-e-Islam was founded in 1884 with the objectives. Answer is to defend Islam against the onslaughts of the missionaries and to provide Western education along with religious instructions. Question. Ex-state of Am was famous for. Answer is natural forests. Question. Why did Sir Amir Ali resign from the Muslim League in 1913? Answer is the party had no clear-cut policy. Question. What was the most famous provision of the Simon Commission report published in 1930? Answer is recommendation for the introduction of federal system of government in India. Question. The second part of the Act 1935 could not be put into practice because. Answer is the Indian princes refused to join in federation. Question. For what purpose Sir Syed Ahmad Khan visited England in 1869? Answer is to understand their educational system. Question. When did the Hindus start Quiet India movement? Answer is in August 1942. Question. When did Iqbal deliver his famous Allahabad address? Answer is December 29, 1930. Question. Allama Iqbal stayed in Europe for? Answer is 4 years. Question. Mopla contribution is that? Answer is they took part in Khilafat movement. Question. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali published a leaflet, Now or Never, Are We to Live or Perish Forever, issued on January 28, 1933 from Cambridge with the objective. Answer is to create a separate and independent Muslim state. Question. Where was the first session of the All India Muslim League held in December 1907? Answer is Karachi. Question. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali published a leaflet, Now or Never, Are We to Live or Perish Forever, on? Answer is 28 January 1933. Question. Similar deputation of 1906 had which of the following purposes? Answer is for future elections in the country Muslim community would get separate electorate. Question. During the Khilafat movement, Chauri Chaura tragedy assumed greater significance. Which of the following incident was peculiar to that? Answer is a police station was burnt in a village. Question. Farezi movement was primarily a religious movement. What change Dudhu Mian brought in the movement? Answer is transferred it into a guerrilla movement. Question. When Shah Waliullah had died? Answer is 1762. Question. Who was appointed the first principal of Darul Uloom Deoband? Answer is Maulana Muhammad Qasim. Question. All India National Congress was established by a British civil servant in 1885. Name the officer. Answer is A.O. Hume. Question. Where the annual sessions of National Congress and Muslim League were held simultaneously? Answer is Lucknow. Question. When Sir Stafford Cripps announced his formula to seek the cooperation between a National Congress and Muslim League? Answer is March 22nd, 1942. Question. When the Simla Conference under the presidentship of Lord Wavell was ended? Answer is June 14, 1945. Question. By whom the formula of 3rd June 1947 to divide India was announced? Answer is Lord Mountbatten. Question. One of the main objectives of All India Muslim League at the time of its creation was? Answer is to be loyal to the British Indian government. Question. The power of the Legislative Council was increased by? Answer is Minto Marley Reforms 1909. Question. Urdu Hindi controversy of 1867 had far reaching consequences because? Answer is it was the forerunner of the two nation theory. Question. The election should be held on the basis of general adult franchise. This demand was made in? Answer is Lucknow Pact. Question. Aligarh Muslim College started by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1877 had a clear program. Answer is to keep the Muslim community abreast with Western knowledge. Question. The future form of government would be federal to be joined by provinces and Indian state. This principle was settled in? Answer is First Round Table Conference. Please subscribe my channel and like and share the video.